So this is the unit, around 52 square meters. Combined unit siya, 2 studios. And this is around 5.2 million. That's the regular price. Discounted price is around 4.7 million, subject to management approval. Usually, ang na-approve po sa amin for discounted price is mga cash buyer. Yan. Ito yung isang bathroom. This is available in cash or at least 10 to 20% spot down payment and then 80 to 90% balance in-house and bank financing plus taxes and fees. Aircon provision niya. And then yan yung view niya dito sa isang kwarto. So this is as is where is upon turnover. Lahat po ng movables inside this unit, hindi po kasama sa sale. Tatanggalin po yan ng bangko before turnover. And then ito yung isang kwarto niya. Mayroon siyang balcony. And ang kagandahan dito is facing amenities siya. So kitang-kita mo yung buong park. And then yung swimming pool area niya. Ayan o. Ganda, 'di ba? So first come first serve po tayo dito. If you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. Amenities dito. Ganda rito. So dito may amenity area pa rin dito. Check natin. Parks and playground. Parks and playground. May gym din dito. Swimming pool kumpleto. Resort type amenities dito. So dulo-dulo yung ano niya, swimming pool. Taba ng pusa dito. Yung swimming pool, oh. Diba? Ganda. Swimming pool area nila. So andito tayo sa amenity area or yung parang central park ng Field Residences. Located to in Parañaque and Las Piñas. Dalawa yung address nito eh. Yung building 1 to 5 or 6, parang Parañaque siya. Yung 6 to 8 is Las Piñas. Ayan. So yes, binaha dito nung huling bagyo ba yun, Christine. Yung building 5 ang binaha dito, sabi ng mga guard. Pero hanggang ano lang naman, yung ground floor area lang naman and mabilis din na bumaba yung tubig. Yan. So ang remedy dyan, kung ayaw natin ng baha, di dun tayo sa iba kumuha. Pero kung yung budget natin is swak lang dito, Dahil affordable nga dito, below market and zonal value, kuha na lang tayo ng mga higher floor, mga second, third, pataas. And meron kami mga available dito for as low as 100,000 per square meter. Yan. So ito yung amenity area niya. If you are interested, message us directly. Ano lang yun.